Okay guys, so what we're going to do today is do a little powdered malted barley top dressing, which you can call it a tea. Anything you top dress technically is a tea. So this is our malted barley. This is what it comes in. It's a malted barley pack right here. And you want organic brewer's malt. And you want your malted barley to be non-toasted. So if you look in here, I mean, it's pretty much just a tan color, and that's what we're looking for when it comes to malted barley. You don't want it toasted because it's they're cooking it, and you don't want cooked malted barley. You want pretty much raw sprouted barley that was freeze dried at its highest enzymatic count. This is all we need to do. And this is pretty much a seed sprout tea, an enzyme punch. And this is what you want to do. Or you can actually take this and you can bubble it in water, blend it all up into a dust, and then bubble it in water, and then water this way. We found through the Clackamas Coot ways and lessons that it's just as effective if you powderize this and you top dress it and just water it in. It does the same effect. So, alright guys, let's show you how we get this done. So to mill your malted barley, you can use a magic bullet, which is called an empalmizer. You can use a coffee grinder, or as you see here, an industrial coffee grinder that you would see inside of your supermarket, which Solo has acquired. And we're going to use the auto drip, which is not too fine but not too coarse on the grinding of the material. And it's going to effectively grind it into a nice little dust that you can broadcast over your soil or use it as an inoculant in your water to use it as a tea. And in our industrial grinder, this is where it'll come out as a powderized material. And you'll have your powderized malted barley ready for the soil. Okay guys, so we got our coffee grinder here. Pour in some malted barley. Fill the top compartment up. We've got it on an auto drip. Yeah, we'll throw another one in. Just like coffee, you fill the top up. Got on an auto drip. Not the finest, but not the coarsest. Close our little door. Keep the dust down. Start it. There you go. Okay, so as you see here, we are powderizing our malted barley. And it's not a baby powder fine. It's more like a baby oatmeal, which is very soft, but yet has small little chunks in it. And what this is going to do is allow us to top dress, and what doesn't soak into the root matter will stay on top and form a mycelia mold, which helps set the fungi foundation within your soil. Okay guys, so we have our powdered malted barley, and we're simply just going to evenly top dress this across our soil. Very easy, just like you're throwing out a cover crop, nice and even all the way across your soil. This can be done just as effective through a tea method, 1 ounce of powdered malted barley to 1 gallon of water. The reason why we like to top dress is because it does kind of 2 things at one time, and that is that we're going to give our plants that enzyme punch that they're looking for. And on top of that, the leftovers are going to sit on top of the soil and they're going to form a mycelia mold. Don't get alarmed by the mold. It's only mycelia. And what that's doing is setting the foundation of your fungi. And then when it comes to watering this in, something that we've found that is
effective and helps facilitate the enzymes is watering it in with a little bit of fulvic acid. We use a product that's called Full Power. And the solo way is to actually also water in with a little bit of aloe vera water, a little bit of coconut water, and a little bit of silica. And that's what you see here. And what the aloe vera is going to do is it's an immunity booster, it's a stress reliever, and the coconut is trace minerals and also small amounts of nutrients, very light. And the silica is a cell wall builder. It helps also boost the immunity within your plants and helps your plants be a little bit flexible so the stems don't just break whenever you try to bend them. And then when it comes to the fulvic acid, what that's going to do is help facilitate the breakdown of your organic matter within your soil and make it plant available. And it's going to pretty much work hand in hand with your enzymes. So there you guys go. Malted barley tea, the solo way. No-till 101. Hope you enjoyed. And go out there and feed your plants malted barley.